Don't translate in your head. Learn English naturally instead. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Conversations. I'm Arrefa.
And I'm Tiffany. It's great to have you here again.
Today, we're leaving the house and walking to the bus stop.
We'll learn useful English that you can use on your way to school or work.
Today's keywords are bus, street, traffic, and hurry.
Take a deep breath, relax, and let's practice English together.
Let's begin.
Good morning, Tiffany.
Good morning, Arrefa. Are you ready?
Almost. Let me grab my backpack. Okay, now I'm ready.
Great. Let's walk to the bus stop together.
Good idea. The weather is nice this morning.
Yes, the sky is blue and the air feels fresh. It's a beautiful day.
I hope the bus arrives on time.
Me too. What time does your class start?
At 8:30. How about your work?
I need to be at the office by 9 o'clock, so we still have some time.
That's good. Oh, look! There are many people on the street today.
You're right. Monday mornings are always busy.
I can hear lots of cars. The traffic is getting heavier.
Yes, everyone is going to school or work.
Should we hurry a little?
Maybe just a little. I don't want to miss the bus.
Neither do I. Running after the bus isn't fun.
Especially when you're carrying a heavy backpack.
Exactly. Oh, the traffic light is red. Let's wait here.
Safety first. Always look both ways before crossing the street.
Now it's green. Let's cross.
We're almost at the bus stop.
I can see it. And good news! The bus hasn't arrived yet.
Perfect timing. We didn't have to hurry too much.
Sometimes leaving home a little earlier makes the morning less stressful.
I agree. It also gives us time to enjoy the walk.
I like walking in the morning. It wakes me up.
Me too. Fresh air always makes me feel more energetic.
Look, here comes our bus.
Great! Let's get ready.
After you.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day at school.
You too. Have a great day at work. Let's make today amazing.
Now, let's review today's vocabulary. 1. Bus. A bus is a large vehicle that carries many people. Example: I take the bus to school every morning. 2. Street. A street is a road in a town or city. Example: there are many people on the street. 3. Traffic. Traffic means the cars, buses, and motorcycles on the road. Example: the traffic is very heavy this morning. 4. Hurry. Hurry means to move or do something quickly. Example: we need to hurry or we'll miss the bus. 5. Bus stop. A bus stop is where people wait for a bus. Example: we're waiting at the bus stop. 6. Cross. Cross means to go from one side of the street to the other. Example: let's cross the street carefully. 7. Backpack. A backpack is a bag you carry on your back. Example: my backpack is heavy today. 8. On time. On time means not late. Example: the bus arrived on time.
Great job. You finished the slow version.
This time, we'll speak faster, just like real conversations.
Ready?
Let's go.
Good morning, Tiffany. Ready to go?
Yes, let's walk to the bus stop together.
The weather is beautiful today.
It is, but the traffic looks busy.
You're right. Should we hurry a little?
Yes, I don't want to miss the bus.
The traffic light is green now. Let's cross the street.
Look, the bus hasn't arrived yet.
Perfect. We made it on time.
Have a great day.
You too.
Now, let's challenge ourselves with a faster conversation.
Let's begin. Good morning. Are you ready to go?
Absolutely. Let's walk to the bus stop before the traffic gets worse.
Good idea. I don't want to hurry at the last minute.
Look, the bus is coming. We made it just in time.
Perfect. Let's have a great day.
Now it's your turn. Listen, pause, and repeat.
Let's walk to the bus stop.
The traffic is busy this morning.
We should hurry.
Let's cross the street carefully.
The bus is coming.
We arrived on time.
Have a wonderful day.
Now, listening and speaking challenge.
Now, it's your turn to answer. Speak your answers out loud. Question 1. How do you usually go to school or work? Question 2. Do you take the bus? Question 3. Is the traffic busy in your city? Question 4. What time do you usually leave home? Question 5. Do you like walking in the morning? Why or why not?
Fantastic! You completed today's English conversation practice.
Every conversation you practice helps you become more confident.
Remember, don't worry about being perfect. Just keep listening, keep speaking, and enjoy the learning process.
We'll see you tomorrow with another real-life English conversation.
Have a wonderful day.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.